The sounds of a life-saving service silenced in parts of East Alabama. Elizabeth White shows us why a local ambulance service seized over the weekend and how volunteer firefighters are trying to revive it.
In April of 2020, Smith Station Fire and Rescue ambulance and paramedics saved David Cox's life.
I did have a heart attack. I fell down dead, and they came in and they revived me, and they carried me outside, and they put defibrillator on me and brought me back.
In the last 4 years, we've transported about 900 patients a year to the hospital, and certainly some of those people, their outcomes were improved and they lived because we were there to take them to the hospital.
Now the ambulance sits silent. Smith Station's $46 per capita flat fire fee, established in 2012, can compete in a nationwide paramedic shortage on top of fuel, maintenance, and medical supply inflation exacerbated by the pandemic.
In our fire district in Smith Station, the per capita fire fee is about $16.04 a person. In Phoenix City, that number is about $155 per capita. In Opelika, it is about $230 per capita. We were paying medics about $15 an hour, and you can make 18, 17 and some change, 18, up to 20 at other neighboring agencies. Some of the private ambulance services have been offering as much as $10,000 sign-on bonuses, and those have just been things that we haven't been able to compete with. We weren't able to offer health insurance or retirement.
While the federal government has sent billions of COVID relief dollars to hospitals and local governments, very little filtered to fire and EMS. Sexton says a funding plan is in the works, but until then, EAMC's EMS is covering Smith Station.
Biggest thing citizens could do to help us right now is to call their elected officials at the county, at the city, and say, hey, we really valued having this ambulance here. We value the fire department, and we support finding an alternate funding means for them.
And I was told by my doctor, my cardiologist, that if it had not been a quick response, because I had the widowmaker is what they called it, I would not have made it.
As for David Cox, he knows the issue is life and death. Reporting in Smith Station, Elizabeth White, WRBL News 3 on your